Conversation 101, weather.
Let's go surfing today.
We can't go surfing today. It's going to rain.
How do you know? The sky is clear right now.
I checked the weather forecast. There's a storm coming in later today.
Do you know what the weather will be like tomorrow?
Tomorrow afternoon will be sunny and warm.
So if you'd like, let's go surfing tomorrow.
Conversation 102, food.
Welcome to Barry's Fast Burger. May I take your order?
Can I have the cheeseburger meal with no ketchup?
Would you like French fries or a baked potato with your meal?
French fries, please.
And what would you like to drink?
Orange soda, please.
Okay, that will be $4.56 at the window. Thank you very much.
Conversation 103, nature.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a hamster. What about you?
I like horses.
Why do you like horses?
Because they're big and intelligent, and you can ride them. Why do you like hamsters?
Because they're small and cute. I like small animals. Conversation 104, opposites.
I'm looking for someone named Oscar. Is he inside here?
No, he's outside by that short tree.
Is he the one in the black shirt?
No, Oscar is wearing a white shirt.
Is he the one to the left of the table?
Yes, that's him. Do you want me to ask him to come over?
No, that's okay. I'll go over there. Thanks.
Conversation 105, time.
It is time to get up. You need to catch the train to Tokyo this morning.
What time is it?
It is 6:45. Hurry. The train leaves at 8:15. Don't be late.
Okay. Where's the train schedule?
It's over by the clock.
Thanks. I'll call you this evening from Tokyo. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.